Abu 7 with a quick update here to what's going on with the Oroville Dam. As many know, there was a catastrophic failure in this spillway that had caused for a lot of erosion and then the whole spillway to eventually collapse in. Then this whole dam was filling up and then overflowing over the emergency spillway, and it was causing a lot of erosion, causing new holes, new leaks, things of which really didn't make big headlines, that these holes they were patching with just clay. So at this point, what they're saying is an independent review of this is scheduled to start today, and it's going to go on through tomorrow. And then whatever they get out of this whole review during the site inspection, they're going to have a meeting and they're going to say, all right, this is what we found and this is what you guys can use as a template to try to figure out what to do next. Now, as I stated before, here they said May, I believe, they're going to start awarding these contracts, but they also warned that they had to get this done before fall. Now they're saying that they're going to do this in phases. They're saying that preliminary plans to repair the damaged spillway and repairs to the emergency spillway next to it are going to be done in phases, with phase 1 going into motion first to finish the main spillway. The new spillway will be designed to allow almost twice of its historical output, so it's going to be much bigger. And they're expediting this. They're saying it's going to take about 9 months. And normally this would take 2 to 3 years to build and design. So that is some of the latest here in regards to the dam. I'll leave a link and I'll continue to update if anything else changes. This has been Dabu 7.